tukwanirizaako nnyo.
Yes sir. Muli mutya.
Tuli bulungi nga tukusanze okirinze.
Bana ndi mikiringo gyange wano.
Watuuke ku kuba twava ku show. Tewatubuulira how was the experience?
It was nice. I was happy to be there. It was a humbling experience. Mani nga artist amanyi do performing weka. It's very humbling being on stage with other people, and you have to kind of tone down yourself so that everybody can be accommodated on that stage. So for me it was humbling. It was nice to see Uganda bacha nyumiro your music, like the real music, the beautiful harmonies, the actual talent. What try to put them on your era, and we actually thought that our fans didn't care anymore. So seeing Sheraton get Julawetyo, it was very encouraging for me as an artist.
And how was that feeling okubanga mukomye ku stage mwenna to perform?
We last performed it's almost 20 years ago, you know. So it just having that, it was a moment that I wanted to pinch myself, you know, like, oh, this is happening. And also because our cousin to tell those are things that guys do. It's about the money which so for me it was I was happy to be in that space. For so many, you know, other girls to come back together, girl groups and to try and do it again. Legend just to you know, just one more show. So it was we got to do that as Blue 3.
Ku lunaku olwo kigambibwa nti gwe wali alina okusookawo n'ofunamu injury. How is that? Ngati wali otunyumiza.
Yeah, nali omaitwa performing after our first performance, Lydia nakuba her solo. And then it took was Blue 3, then it was Jackie doing her solo nganza sembayo, and then Blue 3 komewo. So after doing my performance, because of all the energy jetwako sanengenda backstage, katunali nkomawo nefuna masopulu. When I was coming back, I wanted to tumble from backstage support. So, but I delayed to come on stage because I was trying to massage my leg, and never began it, and I didn't get up stage. She get a chinuma. So that's why I kept walking and trying to stretch my toes so that, you know, then after some time it just stopped hurting. Last session, but I because Masopuli didn't good.
How did it come about? Were you at the last moment?
I have no idea how I got that masopul. In the process of changing shoes and changing clothes, which are masopul nenkwata. So I needed a moment. So I spent a couple of seconds just massaging my leg. Backstage, and I had to walk on stage and got masopul. But after walking around and stretching my leg, and then it stopped paining. Yeah, so while you are hiccup for a few seconds, yes.
Yeah, after the show, some people are like, singe chintu chino techikoma. What are your plans?
Yeah, the Blue 3 brand is there. It is there for the clientele that can afford it, because as Blue 3 we cannot in a standard yayo which we cannot put down, but those are not shows we can do weekly or every weekend or mikolo, no, because it comes with a certain budget that comes with it. So Blue 3 is there for whoever can afford it, whoever wants that quality and is willing to invest in it. Blue 3 again akuberawo. But then among us buli omu ina career ye okitegera teteri agala kuleka career ye tetudde mutubere Blue 3, no. But we want Blue 3 to keep going, so we're still writing music, we're going to shoot a video, you know, and make sure that the Blue 3 brand your way.
Ku kivuyo kyennyini twakulabanga wavaayo n'osiima ku bagenyi abangi abaali bazze omwali ne Shiba yajja ku lulwo wali omuinvitinze oba wamwekanga bwekanzi?
Namwekanga nali because nalaba ad batuweleza ad Shiba did an ad which batugamba buli omu posting no. So nendowooza kuba sometimes our artists tukola ad nengo olunaku tuli busy tulina shendala. So nalaba artist bangi mwana tetutera kwewagira bwentyo. It was amazing okulaba Nina Rose, Rema yaliyo, Mama Halima, Rachel K, okitegera, Lydia Jazmine was there. It was so, you know, it was very heartwarming kuba tubana abayimbi abalala bakozi bazo tuwagira. So nawulira bulungi nga naye kwali. So I mentioned everybody and I also mentioned her. Do you know, it's good to see artists supporting other artists. So it was very heartwarming to see her there. It was just kuwagira tagenda kuyimba tagenda kola ati atudde kuwagira other artists was nice.
Abali bagamba ati azzo muyigirize ku lunaku olwo.
Masimanya nze kyemanye nti Lilian mukwano gwe nnyo. So ayinza okubanga yali azzo okulaba Lilian, you know, but on the stage twaliko basatu. So that recognition of just seeing her there appreciating everybody was nice.
20 years ago, Cindy Sanyu yali yasembayo okubeera omutoka ngambe achogere bwento. How does it feel nga ate obudde buno gwe wakutte Blue 3 n'ogibbulula?
Simanyi mukama kyanjagaza sometimes. No, sometimes I don't know because it feels good to be in a place that you can lift others, you know. But for you to lift others, you need to first lift yourself. And the only way that you see is when you see people like that coming back to you. Abola antikati recognizing mukama wakutadde tinawo betaga kwegatta kumanyi go balyoke batuuke waje bagala okulaga. So for me it's humbling. I'm grateful. Never za mukama nti yapa success jinafuna tinsobola otulawo nenyamba ko bannange abatandika nange nti bali bavuddeko on the radar. Some life happened to them but then I'm in a position okubayamba okuba wasitule again to them tukole. So nze I'm happy ate kubanga they deserve to be there bali talented balina amalobozi gabagakyaliwo na buli kimu. So I was just happy to know nali mu position okuba nti bwe bali banneetaaga ng'obusobozi mbuyina mu time eyo nga vibe njirina byonna nsobola obayamba. I'm just grateful.
Ekitali kyakwekweka bo baali baavaayoko for example Jack Chandu n'admitting nti ebimu ku byali byamusumbuwamu byali ebiragalagala. How did you survive this in the 20 years kuba mwali mukolera wamu and then they happened to take that road?
I know Mamani is at first such believing the first I think even 3-4 years I didn't believe and those people are exaggerating it and I can't believe because me and Jackie we tested alcohol together the first time because when we were in Blue 3 I'd never taken alcohol until I was in Blue 3. So we were at an event omwenge guita and then I tunywangako. Lillian was a bit more experienced with alcohol at that time. So me and her I remember it was a Smirnoff Ice. Together to Galida room. It was because we were staying together in South Africa in the same room. So to Galida like, let's try alcohol. You know, this for the first time. So we took our first bottle of so for me it's humbling. I'm grateful. Never za mukama nti yapa success jinafuna tinsobola otulawo nenyamba ko bannange abatandika nange nti bali bavuddeko on the radar. Some life happened to them but then I'm in a position okubayamba okuba wasitule again to them tukole. So nze I'm happy ate kubanga they deserve to be there bali talented balina amalobozi gabagakyaliwo na buli kimu. So I was just happy to know nali mu position okuba nti bwe bali banneetaaga ng'obusobozi mbuyina mu time eyo nga vibe njirina byonna nsobola obayamba. I'm just grateful.
Ekitali kyakwekweka bo baali baavaayoko for example Jack Chandu n'admitting nti ebimu ku byali byamusumbuwamu byali ebiragalagala. How did you survive this in the 20 years kuba mwali mukolera wamu and then they happened to take that road?
I know Mamani is at first such believing the first I think even 3-4 years I didn't believe and those people are exaggerating it and I can't believe because me and Jackie we tested alcohol together the first time because when we were in Blue 3 I'd never taken alcohol until I was in Blue 3. So we were at an event omwenge guita and then I tunywangako. Lillian was a bit more experienced with alcohol at that time. So me and her I remember it was a Smirnoff Ice. Together to Galida room. It was because we were staying together in South Africa in the same room. So to Galida like, let's try alcohol. You know, this for the first time. So we took our first bottle of alcohol together, like I saw her we were together and it was silly and we laughed about it. So nzokukkiriza nti Jackie have down natuka mu level of addiction. It took me a very long time because I'm like yampita katya, you know, how did she pass by me? So I'm just it's the difference between her and me is a decision that we make, you know. I cannot say nti banze I'm very strong ze sikwati wako. No, this can affect anyone, but it's a decision you make in your time of stress, in your time of, because that's what mostly takes us there. The stress is pressure. The decision you make there, just the difference in nze ngenda salawo to meet my family, I'm going to decide to do other things to cool down the pressure or go to church or you understand, like find other ways, go to the village and cool off, you know, just go out of my world and step out of it for a minute. And then somebody else is going to get into alcohol, you know. So it was just that decision. They are full of different and I didn't go that direction, I got a different direction. Then for her nalyoka sinking into that addiction and yes, but at a cut we need to recognize until she's pulling herself out. Okay. She's really doing a great job. Her energy is back, you know. 2 years, 3 years ago, yageza ko performing and but her energy is back. She has been working hard. It was just good to see her. I'm so proud of Jackie.
After the show twagenza olaba nga ate nyonyo giri nyebo munga twade tulowooza nti kimwakoze Blue 3 kati buli abanoonya basatu.
Brand Yasinde chaliwo ostegera brand Yasinde chaliwo and right now brand Yasinde is still bigger than the brand Air Blue 3 and I guess also as a promoter it's cheaper okuba nti oleta artist omu than you know the responsibility of dealing n'abakyala basatu. ate buli omu agala tambula ne munne, or at least you have to get one person who's going to okubakwasaganya bonna, so that has to be 4 tickets. So at the end of the dates, it's actually easier okuyita Cindy eka. But I'm very sure that they would love to have Blue 3. And we're discussing some deals for the
twasemba okukola aba producer Didi ng'oli wakanga tulabanga agenda improvinga ate obuzibu bwavudde ku kyokulabika nti otusende mu ddwaliro
anti kati nga nefuna mu constipation. Okay. So ayina kudda mu ddwaliro kuba nali mpulira bubi. So babadde balina okukola another treatment eya SARS naye olubuto ne basuggestinga nekusajja we.
Okay.
Yeah, then kati nebuli mbadde nkola kwelen realizing nga eddagala ly'emmere erimu n'emmere ngiveeko erina starch ebindeetera okulumba. Kati bali tukuba nga tupulaninga nga wanmonitonekanako monitoringa mpaka kati nekunzijanjaba yemu.
bw'ogamba nti baakujje ku mmere ey'ekikula ekimu, emmere gye baakujjeko mmere nga ki? Ye kati essaawa eno tulaba nga bakuziza ku mmere kikaaki?
Singanye n'okulya obumonde, amata n'ebibala ng'amapapaayi n'ebikajjo mpaka olubuto bwe lunaavamu amabwa lutereere lube nga lusobola okumanyira emmere endala, akawunga n'omucere n'ebirala.
Tukulaba oli mu ddwaliro wekka, toyinawo wa Luganda akuliko oba family?
Bali bajja ne bankeberako. Sisita wange wali awo kubanga wali private. Uncle wange yabaddewo wano ne mukyala we yaso bankeberako nabo.
Embeera ekutwalaganya etya kubanga bayimbi banno tetunalabako nga bavuddeyo kubako ngeri gye bakuyamba, olinawo abaze okukwatizaako mu mbeera eno?
Actually naye sente zensasudde wano Dikenzo lyasasudde.
Edikenzo.
Then Kokofinga ne Makalasi nabadde bayambako ne Washington. Then ne family n'abantu ba bulijjo ku TikTok, WhatsApp badde banyambako batupa bityo.
Tyebavuddeko twavudde ne tulaba akatambi kolabika okubanga go waka recordings. For starters, kituufu go recordings akatambi ako? Lwaki producer Didi yandibadde recordinga video eyo?
Kubanga kati kuvaayo nga nyirire ne bagamba ndi mulwadde. Kireesa abantu okulowooza nti mutubulire. Naye nagamba gamba naye atula kambalage n'ebyempitamu. Kiyambako okulaga abantu abalala okuyiga naawe such a record ekuyamba okulaba gye wava n'engeri gisobola okwezimba.
Abantu abali abayinza okwagala okuyamba bakusangawa ennamba y'essimu oba ogirina?
Ennamba yange eri 0784 85 95 0784 85 95 abantu abanene Uganda Kingdom mpena leo tizako music kwena wadidi solo kuva ya bagagga bonna bakirimira abo bahamu you never know. They don't know about beetaaga.
Emakalo situkwanirizaako ssebo
kale papa.
Tukulaba oli mu ddwaliro ne producer Didi. For starters jaga tutemeremu embeera eri etya yatuuka atya mu ddwaliro kuba twasemba mulaba nga ali waka naawe? How did we end up here?
Didi mulwadde ekinsi ekimanyi. Didi mulwadde era mulwadde alina kuba mu ddwaliro okuba tuli wano leero yafunye complications eggulo mu lubuto. Nga alina okugenda bamukebere bakiyita endos something olulimi lw'abadokita. Is alright tuli wano naye ng'embeera ya Didi mu bufunze health wise badoctors bagamba alina essuubi eddagala lisobola okukola n'akomawo n'addako ku magulu g'abiri. However, challenge tusanzeemu is caretaking maintenance in terms of residence, in terms of food and hospital bills. So kati awo we twakoze decision naye twadde amaanyi ago power batone netugamba ku bantu atuyambyeko okuli Edikenzo, Kokofinga, Renex, Washington nange tuongereko ne number 1 citizen president.
On all the music fraternity, mwe kama mwakavayo kuyamba producer Didi?
No, abantu bayamba kino je bali bayamba mu mpola ne abamubereddewo as on a day to day iyo team je kugambye muliko. So twafunye idea yo kutukira first president era ne tukuba amasima agawerako because the contacts we have paka tutuse ku Wanandugu Chironda Farouk, who is the principal press secretary to the president, private secretary to the president. Betogedde ku macha ku simu nangamba muwalize details ku WhatsApp as for ingira abakamabe Kamabe who is a fundinary so atusoba ke president ngarachi tukoze ekyo tutuvude inde block chikole ekyo tukikoze one for information purposes and then two because Didi yakola sound kenzo je ayimbirako yakola olimba stamina olimbo lwa president traction mukaluka 21 2011 ate muzukulu we fena tuli bazukulu be so jajja ino kumanya official tuweze yo message tukenda kuandika ne mbutongole kibere dala form
gwenga abera ku producer Didi wali aka video akavuddeyo nga ye recordings wakalabyeko
nabzira video
yabategezeza ku recordinga oba namwe mwakekanza out of the blue.
Didi Didi has his own mind. There's nothing. He has his own mind. He's very creative. So kati nzebintu bimbi akola, I don't get surprised. And nature la simunenya is a person who is very very creative and very hyperactive. So wabera unga mind ye ili free na taina chintu cha koze. So that's another form of releasing depression away from himself. He has a china koze. That's it.
Okay. Oloza china mugattako bakina mutolako.
I don't know chiri abantu bebana sala
because you know the criticism of social media.
I know the stigma and everything.
Yeah.
Chiri abantu bebana sala but ngachi mbagambe chiri. He has his own mind.
Okay.
He has a very very strange mind. So kati bintu bimuzeli yakola tebi. Tebine kaka ngomuntu akoze connected. So bintu byakola tebine wonse.
Okay.
Omaidi nayimba first born naye nze ka last born kama mami wange ne daddy wange.
Wala kama first born ku musajja nga
okitegeera ate ebintu obimanyi. Kati gokitegedda bali abantu bakitegeera bulungi. Abasinga kati okitegeera. Anyway, omanyi kati n'ennyimba ze tukola kati abamu abakola music nga si wakuwemula tosaba direct like oluganda oluyite ne mabega okitegeera olubeera nga lusamusamu nenga kati omuntu omukulu abakitegeera.
Akusamu ku sente nga bano yongera kulabika bulungi bikaseera kugejja buli kaseera
banaye nange kawait kansuseeko emirembe sewa stress teri kira si sente abantu abalina sente nga balabika bulungi olina kulivinga bulamu nga bwe buli and be happy, try as much and be happy, that's all. Tukula buli wakula weyongerako anze kasaizi kange nkaagala akafiga kange nkaagala chovala basyabiriko
abala bagenda ku sliminga ngogamba grow faster.
I cannot slim nedda just of course maintaining noberanga toyita munyate naye sikyasobera kati ninyonyonyo to the size of Miss Uganda. Navuddeyo nakomyewo gye ekiro because I had to come here.
Unyanyonyi kati unyanyonyi
nazimanyira
kale zafuka bugali
nedda bambi ebyaddala naye
okudala visa
nedda bambi sikudaala naye nebaza Katonda ebyo bambi tebinzibuwalirangako ndowooza ninamu omukisa gw'ennyonyi tebanyimangako visa era ndowooza ndi ku tour yange ya first born concert. Ngenda kola world tour ngenda buli wamu paka December. Birungi Abannayuganda babeerayo nga baagala otulabako bambi yadde community yaffe ekyali ntono nga bw'okimanyi tetuyinza banga tuli bangi nga Abanigeria nga Abazungu but abaliyo bajja in our small communities ne banyumirwa omuyimbi waabwe.
Abaana babadde nga bagamba oba temwagiranga bulungi kyabuzeemuko.
Nze Toronto ndoza genda kupeji yange olabe. Of course mwabadde because I was with Alien Skin tebibulamu diaspora bya politics and all that, but nze my fans came to see me.
Wiza nekibulunga billion olikula nape genda performing akola lunaku
kati nyiza obutabaayo good life You all know my story. If you know Lydia Jazmine, you know nali backup singer wa Good Life nga ndi mu high school. I mean nga ndi mu campus. Nasasulanga tuition yange ya campus yonna because radio, Wizo, Jeff bansasulanga. Okitegera, that's how we namalako campus. Besides ne band naje nalinga nyimbiramu. So abo nabo kati abate birala ebyabwe birala. I have to be there, and please everyone come and support Wizo. I feel like Wizo needs all of us to show him love. Fena tubereyo tujuze yonna gyagenda sinaba mmanyawa, but please
Kana bela kwa African.
bambi mwenna mujuze Africana for Wizo. I will be